Hi everyone, hope you guys are fine. Today I'm going to discuss a bit about Chatgpt, and after that we will implement this in our Nodejs application and then connect our server with our React application. So let's get started. ChatGPT is an AI tool developed by OpenAI team. It has a lot of features yet with a lot of the limitations. So let's see if it can create the basic server with Express and Node.js. Let's see, let me show you. Let me click on this. Okay, refresh this. Okay, so you can see it is already in demand. Okay, so it provides me the server. I asked him to create a server, create a basic server with CRUD operations. So it provided me the basic good code for CRUD operations with React, Node.js and Express. Okay, so it provided me the quantum theory. It provided me the React application. You can see, let me show you. It provided me the React application with Tailwind CSS setup. It also provided me the code. You can see the theme changer, and it provided me the carousel. It provides basically everything which you search on Stack Overflow or Google. You can ask him a lot of questions, like if I show you write an essay of 2 lines about Python. So you can see it is providing details about Python. If I ask him write a poem for 4th class student, it is still, you can see the limitation. It is converting it is joining my first message with the second message and creating the poem about Python. Oh Python, oh Python, our language is so fine. So let's create a different message and write a poem for, let's see what it does. It is taking bit time as they are facing a lot of huge traffic on the website. So you can see this is also another limitation as it is taking much time. You can see the model is currently overloaded. Okay, so we have know what ChatGPT can do is. So now let's add this in our Node.js application. For this you need an API key. Open API key. OpenAI API key, not Open API. So go on the first link. You need to sign in. I have already signed in. Sign up and then sign in. Then go to View API, and then you can create a new API. I have already created this secret. So let's get started. I have this empty application. Let's add server.js and create a basic npm file, package.json file. Okay, so let's copy the code from this, as we will save our much of time. Add the express and then copy the listen code, and it is not used the .env, so we need to write this. Let's see. Okay, it has not added the .env, so const .env require .env, and then let's install it. Yarn add express env course and this. So let's in the meantime use this app.use course. Okay, so we have not imported the course. App.use express, and then express.json to parse the request into JSON. And let's copy the get request. Copy both get and post request in order to save our time, and then create a variable for port. Let's start our server using Nodemon. Nodemon is a tool to run the server. Okay, so let's see why it is crashed. App.use express. Okay, sorry, app.use. Yes, it is perfect. So I'm going to use the OpenAI, so also add the OpenAI yarn add OpenAI. So we will go to the documentation. You can see in the API section, go to documentation and then libraries. This is for with Python. We will go with Node.js. We have installed this. Let's copy this. This is installed. Let's paste this. All this should be on the top. We have the API key already configured, and move this in our post request. This should be async. Okay, up till now we have created a basic server. We have copied our API key and pasted it in our .env file, and this bus. Yeah, let's send the response. It should be response dot data dot choices and then 0 index dot text, I believe. Yes, let's see. Server is running on port 4000. Let's send request. Okay, so we need to send the text. It is crashed. Okay, API, it didn't found the API. We have .env config. Nope, we do not have the .env config. .env.config, it didn't find the variable. So let's start the server. Okay, so let's send the get request. It is done. Then send the post request, and in the post request we need to add a prompt for our required result. So I will destructure it. Const text is equal to request.body.text, and we will use this text in it. Let's restart this and let's see. Yeah, it is working fine. How are you today? I'm doing well. Let's change the message. Print hello world in JavaScript. It has sent the request, but it is incorrect. Why? Because we have not we have limited its token to 7. So let's increase this to 100 and make the token to 0.9. Temperature is for accuracy, and the max token is for the token length. You can see it is printing console.log perfectly. So this is it. We have used the OpenAI npm to complete our request. It has one request, create completion. This is the model. We can use the model 2 or 3. The 3 one is the latest one, right? So this is it. Now let's add this connect this server to our React application. I already have created a chat app using React, so let me check. This is my repository, and React chat widget. Nope. Custom React chat widget. This is simple React chat widget using Dialogflow events. You can explore this. I have just made a copy over here. You can see. Let's open this. In this file I need to change a few things, so let me change it by URL localhost 4000, and in our chatbot request system where I have called the API, I need to make some changes, but for this let's console the result. Result on front end is, let's start the server, start the front end. Okay, so I need to you can see I am on the root, but our front end is on web folder, so cd web, and here and start. You can run this backend if you want to connect your Dialogflow with React application. So it is loaded. Let me open this. If I send the request, it should show I am offline. Let's see the network request. Okay, it is sending the correct request. Let's see the data. Okay, so I need to type something to get the data. Hello. I have added this on the press of enter. So the data is good morning, so we are good to go. The data is in the data object, so result to data. We will remove other things, and we do not have the array, so remove this, and then simply use this variable. Let's see if our app is working. Hi. Yep. नमस्ते, एक पुस्तक की तलाश में आपकी मदद करना चाहता हूँ. You can see it is working fine as expected. We can ask him print console.log in Java. Yeah, you can see it is working fine. What I have done in React application, I have created an Axios request which is sending request to this localhost URL and then sending data in text object, in text variable, and simply returning it. You can explore this project as well. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.